Welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to change the default search engine on Chrome browser. So let's say you have opened a new tab and you search something. It is going to bring Google because that's the one it's been set up. We want to change it. So in order to do that, we have to click here and then click on the settings and then click on the search engine. Here you will see that Google has been selected as the default search engine. We'll change it. Let's say we'll change it to DuckDuckGo and we will click set as default. So the default search engine has been cleared and it's DuckDuckGo now. So we'll go to a new tab and we will search something new. See, instead of Google showing the result for CNN, it is now DuckDuckGo. So this is how you change the default search engine on Chrome. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.